Hello student, myself Kinjal Mistry. I am lecturer in computer department of PPMP Polytechnic. Welcome to online video session. Today my topic name is button and label controls and chapter name is Introduction to Window Common Controls. In this video lecture we learn first introduction of button controls, then we learn different property, event and method of button controls. Then we learn example of button controls. Then we learn introduction of label controls. Then we learn different property, event and method of label controls. Then we learn example of label controls. Now first button controls. It is represent a window button controls. It is the most common control of window form. It allows the user to click it to perform an action. When button is clicked, it looks as if it is being pushed in and released. When the user clicks a button, the click event is involved. User places code in the click event to perform any action user chooses. The key property of buttons control are text, font and text align. Now this is the common property of button controls. Now first property is auto size mode. It is used to get or set the mode by which the button control automatically resizes itself. The second property is back color. It is used to get or set the background color of the controls. Now third property is background image. It is used to get or set the background image to display in the button control. Now fourth property is dialog result. It is used to set a value that is returned to the parents form when the button is clicked. This is used while creating dialog boxes. Now next property is image. It is used to get or set the image that is displayed on a button control. Now next property is forecolor. It is used to get or set the foreground color. Now next property is font. It is used to get or set the font of the text displayed by the button control. Now the next property is text align. It is used to get or set the text align of the button control. Now next property is text. It is used to get or set the text associated with this button control. And the last property is name. It is used to give the name of the button control. This is the common event of button controls. Now first event is click. It is occurs when the user is click the button control. Second event is double click. It is used to when the user is double click the button control. Third event is got focus. It is occurs when the button is received focus. And the last event is text change. It is occurs when the text property value change. This is the common method name of button controls. First method is notify default. It is used to notify the button whenever it is the default button so that it can adjust its appearance accordingly. Second method is focus. It is used to set the focus to the button control. Then third method is select. It is used to activate the button controls. Then next method name is show. It is used to display the button control. Then next method is hide. It is used to button control to hide the window from these controls. This is the small application to use the button controls. Now perform this small application in Visual Studio. So we can open Visual Studio. Now first we drag and drop button control in toolbox. Now we drag and drop two button control in this window form. Now in this controller text property we write submit. Now we drag and drop another button controller in this form. And then we write cancel word in this text property, and we drag and drop another controller like label. It is show the message of whenever we click the submit or cancel button. Now we first click the submit button. Now we click the submit button. We display the message. The submit button is clicked. Use the label control. So we write message in label control. So we write label1 dot text is equal to, we give the message in double quotation, the submit button is clicked. Now then we click cancel button. It is also show the message the cancel button is clicked in label1 controller. So we write label1 dot text is equal to, we give the message in double quotation, the cancel button is clicked. Now save, then run this application. This is our output window. Now first we click the submit button. It is show the message in label controller. The submit button is clicked. Now we click the cancel button. It is show the message the cancel button is clicked in label control. This is the small example of button controls. Now then we discuss next controller. The next controller is label control. It is used to display the text or image that cannot be edited by the user. It is the most common controller of window form. Label is used to identify object on a form. Like example, label can be used to add a descriptive caption to text box, list box, combo box, and so on. User can write code that change the text display by a label in response to event at runtime. The key property of label are text and text align. This is the common property name of label control. Now first property is auto size mode. It is used to get or set the mode by which the label automatically resizes itself. Now second is back color. It is used to get or set the background color of the label control. The next property is text. It is the key property. It is used to get or set the text associated with this control. Now next property is text align. It is also a key property of label control. It is used to get or set the text alignment of the label control. The next property is name. It is used to give the name of the control. Now next property is image. It is used to get or set the image of the label control. Now next property is font. It is used to get or set the font of the text display for label control. Now next property is forecolor. It is used to get or set the foreground color for the label control. And the last property is border style. It is used to get or set the border style for label control. Now this is the common method name of the label control. Now first method is refresh. It is used to forces the label to invalidate its client area and immediately redraw. Then second method is focus. It is used to set the focus to the label control. Then next method is select. It is used to activate the label control. Now next method is show. It is used to display the label control. And the last method is hide. It is used to hide the label control to the user. This is the common event name of label control. Now first event is click. It is occurs when the user is click the label control. Now second event is double click. It is occurs when the user is double click the label control. Now third event is auto size change. It is occurs when the value of the auto size property change. And the last event is text change. It is occurs when the text property value change. This is the small example of label control. Now this example perform in Visual Studio. So we open Visual Studio. Now we open form number 2. Now we take new form in window application. So we add new form, add, then new window form. So new window form is add in our window application. We select window form, add. So generate a blank window form in our window application. Now in toolbox we drag and drop label control. In label control text property we write message. The label control is click. Now we increase font size using font property in this control. So we take 40 and bold, then OK. So this is label control. Give the message the label control is click. Now when we label control is click, it is display a message. Now label control is clicked using message box. So we take message box using click event. Now we click the label control. So click event is generate and we write message using message box. So we take message box dot show method and write small message. The label control is clicked. This is small message we write using message box. Now we save. Now we change property to give the output of this form. Now we select form number 5. Then save and run this form. This is our output window. Now the message, the label control is click using our label control. So we click this label control. It is show the message. The label control is clicked using message box. So this is the small application of label control. Thank you.